message from our Mindanao Development Authority area head here in Northern Mindanao, Ms. Lourdes Enhambre.
Thank you, Hazel. Let me take this chance to reiterate our heartfelt thanks to all our Trimedia partners here in Iligan City. And also, we are thankful to our ever-active, ever-dynamic family, I should say, family in Minda already, the Philippine Information Agency. And for Region 10, it's being spearheaded by Regional Director Franklin Gumapon here. Thank you so much, RD Frank, for your full support. And also, we are thankful to our partners here in Iligan, especially our Iligan Chamber, headed by one of our honorees of the just concluded Mindanao Women Outstanding Awards, President Reggie Punong Bayan, and of course our City of Iligan for really taking on the challenge to organize this very timely and relevant Mindanao Power Summit here in May. And we can only expect that every one of us here, starting here in Iligan and the rest of the regions in Mindanao, will really be fully represented during that event in May, on May 30 to 31 at the MSU IIT gym here in the city. So Minda, as the co-chairperson of the Mindanao Power Monitoring Committee, created by virtue of Executive Order number 81. This Executive Order EO 87 came to pass to really promote and improve the power situation here in Mindanao. And for undertaking such as this, we can only give our full support in Minda under our secretary, the leadership of our dynamic chairperson, and also serving as the Philippine Signing Minister of the DIP Iaga Growth Area, Secretary Mabel Acosta. And we are really hoping that through this, we will be able to come up with a doable and a stakeholders-based campaign plan as we push for a 50-50 mix here in Mindanao in favor of renewable energy. So Minda is fully supporting. Let me emphasize this, that Minda, under Secretary Mabel Acosta, is fully supporting this Mindanao Power Summit in May. And we will also be mobilizing our networks of partners to support this said event. So again, thank you very much, and thank you for having us here.